4-story research indicates this vehicle as having lower miles with less wear and tear. Features also include parking assist system, technology package, luxury package 3, hands-free Bluetooth integration, panorama sunroof, and has been listed as an IIHS top safety pick with these ratings. Come test drive the 2018 F-150. This vehicle is powered by a rear-wheel drive, 6-cylinder, 3.5-liter engine and comes with a automatic transmission. This vehicle has less than 25,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: tire pressure monitor, power retractable running boards, blind spot monitor, heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, brake assist, stability control, daytime running lights, engine immobilizer, tires, front performance. Inside you'll find navigation system, backup camera, heated steering wheel, smart device integration, HD radio, satellite radio, auxiliary audio input, steering wheel audio controls, adjustable pedals, security system. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You found it, so stop in today.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.